Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's tutorial on burger. To do this, we are going to make the bread first. So we are using 250 grams of flour, 4 grams of yeast, 45 grams of sugar, 15 grams of milk, 30 grams of margarine, our flavor, 1 egg, and salt. So we just go ahead to pour all the ingredients in the mixing bowl and allow to mix. So after combining that, we just touch our dough to see if we still need to add more water or it's okay. But as you can see, this one is okay, not too soft and not too hard. So we just continue with the mixing. Now I just added 2 cups of vanilla flavor. That's 2 of the cover of that small bottle. So we are done mixing that. You can see how soft and stretchy the dough is. We just transfer to our working table now and shape it. So you shape into balls, making sure you properly seal the dough. After properly sealing, you can also use the dough scraper to cut the excess out. It also helps in sealing the dough. So we'll just allow this to proof for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we egg wash. Egg washing helps to bring out that brown and beautiful look at the end of your baking. So just go ahead to sprinkle some sesame seed on them before we proceed to bake. We bake this for 25 to 30 minutes depending on the strength of your oven. So here they are after baking. We'll just leave this to cool for some minutes. Then we go ahead to prep our fillings. Here is my cabbage and carrot neatly sliced, my lettuce, minced beef, mayonnaise, spring onions and tomatoes. So to the minced beef, we just marinate with seasoning, salt and curry. Next is to add egg whites to bind them together and mold using a molder or any bowl cover that can give you that round shape. I'm using my cupcake pan. So you first add little oil into whatever it is you'll be using so that you can turn into the pan without scattering it. You set your pan on fire, add little oil and grill the beef. That is if you do not have a grilling machine. You turn to the other side until both sides are grilled and you set that aside. To make your coleslaw, you add pinch of salt, sugar and mayonnaise to your cabbage and carrot and mix that together. Next is to divide your burger bread into 2 halves and toast. Packaging our beef burger, the first thing we'll do is to rub mayonnaise on the burger bread. Next is to add the lettuce in a way that the lettuce will be seen outside. Then add your coleslaw on the lettuce, followed by your grilled beef, then your onions and tomatoes, and cover with the other half of the burger bread, also mayonnaised. And our beef burger is ready. Isn't this looking beautiful? Tell me if you'll be trying this in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.